Hi everyone! Hi ESL teachers and freelancers. For today's video, sasagutin ko po yung mga tanong ng ibang teachers kung paano mag-enroll sa TESDA, tulong trabaho program upang makakuha ng free TESOL certificate. So ito po yung certificate, TESOL certificate from the American TESOL Institute, partnership with TESDA. Yes. So, ang ganda ng certificate niya, super. Okay. So, aside from the certificate that you can get, you can also have your official transcript of record and the letter of recommendation from the American TESOL Institute. Okay. So, una-una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang TESOL certificate? Okay, so TESOL, which stands for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. And this is an internationally recognized certificate. So kung may TESOL certificate ka, especially from American TESOL Institute, you can have a greater career opportunity as an English teacher because this certificate is internationally recognized. So pwede mo itong gamitin kung gusto mo magturo ng English sa ibang bansa or dito sa Pilipinas. And do you know that graduates of TESOL program from American TESOL Institute Philippines, what they call ATFILs, can be listed in a database that employers use to check if someone is qualified to be an English teacher. And kung katulad ko po kayo na online English private teacher, if you will show this to your student, your TESOL certificate from American TESOL Institute Philippines, magpapa-enroll po sila agad-agad. Char. Yes, because this is really, can add to your credentials as an online English teacher. Okay, so balik po tayo sa kung paano makakapag-enroll sa course na 'to o sa program na ito at makakakuha ng TESOL certificate. So, una-una pumunta po tayo sa website nila, okay? So, let me share my screen. So, ito po ang website ng American TESOL Institute Philippines. Okay. So, nagpa-enroll po ako dito sa Tulong Trabaho Program para makakuha po ako ng free TESOL certificate. And aside from free ang TESOL certificate, 'pag sa TESDA ka po, scholarship ka po ng TESDA, may allowance ka po habang nag-aaral. So, in my case, we had 21 days, Monday to Saturday, and 3 hours every day. And yung allowance ko po na nakuha kang TESDA is around 3,000 plus. O bongga, may free certificate ka na, may allowance ka pa from TESDA. Okay, so Tulong Trabaho Program is a TESOL certificate program conducted in partnership with TESDA. So qualified applicants will receive a TESOL certificate free of charge after accomplishing all modules. So yun na nga, wala kang babayaran at may allowance ka pa sa TESDA. Okay. So ito po ang Tulong Trabaho Program. But sa TESDA kasi it takes time. Actually, in my case, 1 year po kami nag-antay bago po nagsimula yung program, bago po kami nag-start ng class. Yes. Kasi by batch po si TESDA and pinipili din po nila yung qualified applicants lang po. So kung kailangan mo talaga ng TESOL certificate dahil mag-apply ka na abroad or online, kailangan mo ng certificate to add to your credentials, pwede naman po kayo mag-enroll. But without a scholarship from TESDA, kailangan nyo po na magbayad. So, first option dito po ay itong Advanced TESOL Virtual. So, mixed learning with 12 daily synchronous session. Okay, so let's learn more. Okay. So ito pong babayaran nyo pag hindi kayo scholarship ng TESDA and you want to enroll in this program. So this assess grant student to take all the modules at the same time. This is recommended for students who want to seek teacher facilitated discussion and feedback. So this is a synchronous class here online. Ang babayaran nyo po is 25,000. Yes. And another option is this one. Okay. Um, Advanced TESOLs face-to-face. So, from the word face-to-face is, pwede po kayong mag-aral kung gusto nyo pong face-to-face. Ang babayaran nyo din po face-to-face is the same as synchronous classes, 25,000. So, this is recommended for students who want to seek teacher-facilitated discussion and feedback. Okay. And the next option po is this one. Okay, let's check here. So, advanced TESOL now, get a TESOL certificate in 1 month. So, ito naman po is for those student who can just self-study without teacher, they study by themselves. So, they just pay for the module. So, it can cost you 7,500. So, after you study the modules, you're going to have exam. So, without facilitator, without a teacher, just the modules, and then just pass the examination for this TESOL, then all you need to pay is 7,500. Okay, and yun lamang po. So kung may mga katanungan pa po kayo about American TESOL, Institute certificate and about online teaching English, just check on my Facebook page and also my other social media accounts. Just send me a message on Facebook, here on TikTok, and also on my YouTube channel. So have a wonderful teachers and happy teaching. Please continue to support me, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorial videos and information about online teaching. Bye for now.